Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on and off the vibration on your Motorola Moto G72. You want to go to your settings and then go to sound and vibration, and then you have several options to customize the media volume, call volume, ring volume, notifications and alarm volume. And if you go down, you have here vibrate for calls, and when you click on it you have three options: never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first and then ring gradually. So whatever you want to customize there, that it vibrates or that it never vibrates, you click on that and then you just go back and then it will either vibrate or not vibrate, whatever you put in. If you go back, then you have also outgoing call vibration. You can turn that on and off. Screen locking sound, so it makes a sound when you lock your screen. Charging sounds and vibration, so it will make a sound when you charge it. Touch vibration, haptic feedback for tap, keyboard and more. You can turn that on and off. That's how you customize your vibration on your Motorola Moto G72. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.